today's video, we will learn how to capture a screenshot of any web element using WebDriver Manager in Selenium 4 for any web application. Before starting the video, we need basically two important jars. One is WebDriver Manager and another is Selenium Java. So how can we download this? So you can download Selenium Driver Manager from jardownload.com, and also you can download Selenium Java beta version from selenium.dev. And also, if you want, I will share my Google Drive link in the description of this video so that you can directly download the jar files. So friends, as you can see that I have already created one project, Selenium tutorials, and inside that I have created one package, Selenium 4. So my first step is to import all the new Selenium 4 jars. So for this we will do, I will go to build path, configured build path, and I will import all my jar files. I already imported my jar files here, but I will show you how can we do this. Click on add external jars, go to Selenium, go to the folder where you save your all jar files, just copy all these files, also include lib folders, and also you can download the jar files of web manager, everything. Here you can see a WebDriver Manager. So once you put all the jars here, you just click on apply and OK. I have already done this. So here what will I do in the package? I will create one class. Let me give the name of this class as capture. Okay, I am giving the name as capture screenshot. Click on finish. Now what I will do, my first method or my first step will be, I will initialize WebDriver Manager and my browser in which I will go to run this. So what I will do, I will write public void and give any name like okay, I just give Selenium 4 feature. You can give any name. And here I will initialize my WebDriver Manager. So I will write, okay, before this I will write test. I will import this test ng annotation, and here I will write WebDriver Manager dot here you can, okay, sorry, WebDriver Manager dot, here you can see all the browsers drivers are here, like Chrome, you can say Edge driver, Firefox. So you can select any of the driver. I am just selecting Google Chrome driver. So just Chrome driver dot setup, and now I will initialize WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. Now I will import my WebDriver, and here I will import my Chrome driver. Now next I will do, I will provide my application URL. So before that I will maximize my window. So I will write driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, and let me see that what activity we will do. So we will write so what we will do, friends, so basically we are going to capture this logo, your logo, this logo in our video. So what we will do, we will write driver dot get, and here I will give the application URL like this. Now I will find out the locator of this particular logo. So what will I do? I will just right click, go to inspect, and this is the source of the logo. So what will I do? I will just copy the XPath. This I will copy, and I will write driver dot find element by dot XPath, and here I will share the XPath. And also what I will do, I will provide the parameter of this particular XPath. So I can write WebDriver, and I just give the name as logo. You can give any type of name. Okay, sorry, not WebDriver, it's a web element. It's a web element, and I will import my web element here. Now what I will do, my next step will be, I will capture the screenshot. So I can write logo dot get screenshot as this, and here I will write output dot type output type dot file. And this I will define in, because जो भी हमने screenshot capture किया, the screenshot which we captured should be display as a file. So is this any error? Okay, here I will define the import file. Now what next step is to, whatever a screenshot we capture, we will provide the destination location. So here we will write file, you can give any name like dest location. I just defined as destination location equals to new file, and here you can provide the path, otherwise you can give the name of the screenshot. So I can write logo.png. If you want, you can give the entire path so that this screenshot will save in that location. Now we will provide file utils dot copy file. Copy file, and here I will provide the source location and destination location. So my source location is my file, so I just copy and paste that file name here, and destination location is this. So I just provide destination location is this, and what I will do, this is showing some error, so we need to provide exceptions. Now my last step will be, I will close the browser. Everything is done. So what activity we have done till now is we initialize the WebDriver manager and the Chrome driver, because we are going to open everything's on Chrome. Here I just maximize my window and I will provide the application URL. Now whatever image we are going to capture, we provide the locator. So here we find the X part of this particular locator, and we just define that in some parameterized form. Now whatever screenshot we capture from here, we just provide the destination location, and we'll just copy those location in we'll copy that image in this location. So this is the activity we have done. So now what we will do, we will just save and run this and see that what will be the output come. Here you can see that my Chrome is successfully open. It maximized, entered application URL open, it captured. Here you can see my test is passed. So for image, you just refresh the project, and here you can see a logo PNG come. Just double click, and here you can see this logo display. So if you think this is a useful video for you, then please like, share the video, and also if you are new, then subscribe the channel for knowledgeable and useful videos related to software testing. Till then, keep practicing and have a great day.